We cut it into thin pieces to make it soft, and later I will cook this delicious one if young the texture is soft. Guys are different when they grow up right. Hard so bamboo like cooking which in. Vegetables what in stir. Fry it depends on what you want. Subscribe this channel. Guys must subscribe and like for free. I need your support. Are you willing to take the time to subscribe and like? And thank you for subscribing and liking. Here we'll be cooking various foods on earth from plants or all kinds of natural food.